Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna review the Apple Pencil second generation, which I have been using for the last 1 month or so. So what do I think? I think this product is a good addition for your new iPad Air or the iPad Pros if you are into note taking. If you like what you're seeing and you want more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and like the video and drop a comment below as it helps the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. So getting into the video, how well has the Apple Pencil been performing? Well, it's been performing great. It instantly connects with Bluetooth while attached on the side of the iPad. There's no lags, it's perfect and smooth for note taking and serves as a great tool for your digital note taking experience. It snaps magnetically to the side of the iPad Pro and charges, so you don't have to carry any dongles or chargers to charge this separately. Again, the integration with iPad OS is great and you can use it for different work situations in your workflow. You want to write a document? Okay, fine, you can do that. You want to underline the text? You can do that. You can highlight text and you can also put signature on different papers also with the Apple Pencil. And there is only two problems with it, and one is obviously the price, which I think so is forgivable for what functionality it gives, but the other one is actually the nib, which I think so would wear off with time and usage of the pencil. The problem is the nib, which I feel would wear off with use and you would probably have to spend more on it again, and it depends on your use case also. And maybe most probably within a year or so you might end up paying a bit more money on the Apple Pencil nib, which again is costly for what it is. At the end, my conclusion is that if you're not really into buying this Apple Pencil with its high price tag and you just want a simple stylus, you could actually just go around in Amazon or Flipkart and actually find a much better deal also, but I can't actually guarantee how well it's gonna be. On top of that, features like magnetic charging are actually unique to this product, and it is one of the best deals if you are actually looking for a stylus for your iPad. So that's it guys for this video, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please put it up in the comment box.